In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in New Mexico State. We'll walk through the official New Mexico judiciary system so you can handle your citation quickly and correctly without standing in line. First, go to the official payment website. New Mexico uses the court-operated portals, not third-party bill pay sites. Open your browser and go to caselookup.nmcourts.gov, which is the main case lookup portal. You can also go directly to the payment gateway at secure.nmcourts.gov. Typing these addresses yourself helps ensure you're on the legitimate site with a secure connection. Next, find your case or ticket. On the case lookup page, you can search by your citation number or by your name together with your date of birth. The citation number is printed on your ticket and often includes letters and numbers. Enter the information carefully, then make sure you select the correct court from the options shown, Magistrate Court or Metropolitan, Metro Court, so the system looks in the right place. Match the court listed on your ticket. When you're ready, click Search. From the search results, open your case details. Review the information on the screen to confirm it matches you and your citation. You should see the balance due, and if online payment is allowed for your case, a Pay Now button. Click Pay Now to proceed. If you don't see that option, the case may not be eligible for online payment, and you'll need to follow the instructions on your ticket or the court's site. Otherwise, enter your payment information using a credit or debit card. Double check the amount, the card details, and your billing info before submitting. Some transactions may include a small online processing fee. Avoid refreshing the page while the payment is processing. Before you can complete payment, you'll be asked to accept a plea. Paying a citation online means you're pleading guilty or no contest and waiving your right to a hearing. This can add points to your driving record and may affect your insurance rates. If you're unsure about the consequences, pause here and seek advice before you proceed. Finally, save your receipt. After you submit the payment, wait for the confirmation screen. Download or screenshot the confirmation and keep the confirmation number for your records. You may also receive an email receipt. Payment posting times can vary, so keep your proof of payment until the court's records reflect the update. That's it. Quick, secure, and done through the official New Mexico judiciary system.